Hey everybody, just gonna do a quick update here on my progress. So I'm just figuring out what exactly I need for fasteners, and I think I've figured out the sizing and everything. As you can see, it's on there pretty tight. This flexing, I don't think I can really do anything about it. And it's not going to bother me. I'm not using it as a structural thing, so I think it'd probably flex that much. Just with the other things, these are just temporary. I got to get some proper ones, nuts and bolts, and then I'll get them all figured out and torqued down and spray paint, rattle can it. You can get her nicely painted black, and then I am going to call it done. It's pretty happy with the outcome. It's looking pretty sharp. I like it. Just trying to get a good view of everything. Drop my gloves down in there, but not that I'm going to. I probably will. But yeah, I'm very happy with how it's looking. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, have a great one.